If you want to create realistic water in Blender using Eevee render engine, then this video is for you. Here I create and render water using Eevee render engine. Follow all steps showing in this video. Open Blender application. Then delete default cube and light from scene. In this scene, I use dynamic sky add-on for light and sky environment. Select dynamic sky add-on in world properties. Add plane mesh object. Increase scale of plane as your water area. Then click on material properties of plane. Add new material. Rename plane material as water material. Then change base color of water material. I use here 008FFF as color code of water. Now split screen into two parts. At right side, select shader editor. Make shader editor full screen using cntr+space button. Add vector bump. Add musgrave texture. Add vector mapping. Add input texture coordinate. Now connect generated of texture coordinate to vector mapping. Then connect vector mapping to vector musgrave texture. Then connect height of musgrave texture to height of vector bump. Then normal of vector bump to normal of principal BSDF. Set scale of musgrave texture to 70. Detail to 0.8. Dimension to 0.8. Linearity to 0.1. Then set strength of vector bump to 0.3. Change metallic value of principal BSDF to 0.9. Specular to 0.6. Roughness to 0.1. You can see water material on plane object. This is look like endless ocean in Eevee render engine. Now set scene dimension as 1080p resolution with 30 frames per second. Now I show you how to animate waves on water to look it more realistic. Go to frame 1 and insert keyframes on mapping location. Then go to last frame and set Z index mapping location as 0.2 and insert keyframe on mapping location. Then right click on timeline and select interpolation mode as linear. Now water waves are moving to Z index as shown on screen. You can use this method to animate water waves in Eevee render engine. This effect is like endless waves on water.